Girl. Yeah, he don't never listen. He don't want to do nothing I say. All he do is just be bad. You know what's great is in the school. He got an F and everything. I had to whoop his ass the other day. I told you. I don't know what to do with this boy. Ma, what? What you calling me for? You see I'm on the phone? Can I go outside and play with Anthony and Ramon? You want to go outside and play with Anthony? Did you wash the dishes? No, I didn't wash the dishes. Then why the hell would you come in here and ask me to go outside when you know you ain't wash the dishes? Oh my gosh. You never want me to go outside and play. I don't know what to do with this boy. He in there crying now, cause I ain't tell him he can go outside and play. He should have washed the dishes. They ain't got nothing to do with me. Shoot, I gotta pee. I gotta pee. Ooh. All right, no, I got something for that. I got something for that. Ooh, I got something for that.